Today's the day.
Technosquare.
Oh, here it is.
There it is, yeah. I'm handicapped today. You know we're talking?
Shit, I don't even know, dude.
Yeah, the dog never get out of the way.
Oh, shit.
How you doing, sir? We're here for Wheel Concept 3 to pick up an engine? Yes. Okay. That over there? Okay, thank you, sir. Watch your camera. Watch your camera. You ready? Let me get it. There you go. Should be big. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.
All right. Thank you, sir.
The wheel to the engine flies out. It wasn't meant to be.
Yeah, boy.
Carry the heavy for it. Don't break it. You're liable for that. It's out of my hands. Two guys. One here, one here, one there. 2 days. No more guys, it's easier. Something comes in. Let's go. Just straight down. Just straight down. Don't bend your back. Go.
Did I start? Oh, I did start polishing this. The drum molds. I'm like, why is there polished pipe? I started in college.
The worst part, man.
Shooting for 1,000.
It's a good place for a hole.
No. Right here, right here, right here. Send all of them. Thank you, sir. Your snap-on guy. Pick up the phone. No, my Cornwall guy does that.
Yeah, boy.
Cornwall does that.
Welcome back.
Yeah. See, that's what I'm worried about. That's all add-ons. I never said to paint the motherfucker. You can charge me to paint it. I'm like, I never agreed. There's no signature. It's the bolt for the motor mount. That's where I saw it. It had a broken motor mount on it. Can you get down and give me a socket? It's been 3 months?
Somewhere around there.
Oh yeah, let's look at your ports. They did do some work on them. Ooh. These are some nice looking ports. Very nice.
No, that's the exhaust side.
Ooh, this side is
I know they spend more time that side.
yeah, this side.
They're huge.
Thank you.
Wow, that's so good.
118. You put it right in
118 degrees. Oh my god, those valves are so beautiful. This thing's gonna be so red.
told me not to do that.
Too stupid?
He said, don't try to bounce on the rev limiter so much. But that's all I do. Don't worry, it's like blue.
That's the oil filter.
It's not oil for this here, but the O-ring to go to the block looks new. I don't know why he didn't put it on though. Well, when he took it off because you don't want to lay on it.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, you didn't want to lay on the sensor.
Yeah. Alright, stay on here.
Big guy.
Find someone. I would have been so sad. Like, we would have caught on that crack.
Everybody grabs the wheel. The car's on skates, it's actually not that hard. 1, 2, 3.
Push your side up.
Now we gotta go forward. How are we? We'll just center it now.
They have not raccoons.
Yeah. It has begun.
Trying to go up the driveway. That bitch is about to be back. Motor's done. Motor's back. Just gotta eventually make some time to put that in. Eventually to make some time to put that in.